Hi everybody, it's Brett Boholij with Century 21 Executives Realty and the Welcome Home team, and I am so excited to show you my new listing, a Unit 80 2200 Gordon. We are in the Fountain Strata complex in a 55 plus gated community. And right away, the first thing you're going to notice when you pull into this community is its location. This complex is on the corner of Gordon and Gushigan, and you are close to all the amenities you need. From gas and local shops at Gushigan Village to the Capri Center just down the road, and you are close to tons of parks, the water, and of course the Kelowna General Hospital. The complex itself has a pool, a hot tub, and tons of shuffleboard courts to help you stay active while enjoying this peaceful community. But let's head inside so I can really show you what this unit has to offer. All right, welcome to this fantastic rancher style home. This home comes with 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, around 2,000 square feet of livable area, an attached garage, and a basement with a 450 square foot storage area and utility room. This style of one-level living is ideal for anyone who's looking to downsize while not sacrificing their lifestyle. This home has an ensuite off the primary bedroom, and it has updated flooring throughout the living room and kitchen. Additional renovations include the tile around the fireplace, the kitchen countertops and backsplash, and this wall to the kitchen has been opened up to free up space and make this home ideal for entertaining. This unit is located at the back of the complex on the quiet side, and you can enjoy mountain views right off of your back patio. The strata allows for rentals, either 1 dog or 1 cat up to 13 pounds, and the current strata fees at the time of this video are $333.94 a month. So if you have any questions about this property or you'd like to book your own private tour, my information is on the screen right now or it's in the description below. But don't wait too long, this unit is not going to last. Again, my name is Brett Boholij with Century 21 and the Welcome Home team, and thanks for checking out my new listing.